you're annoyed you don't have any website unblockers or proxies, I'm going to show you 500 different ones, and thank you to SCP Wool for this. And basically, this is the first one. It's called art class, so you go to todo.mathsnotes.help. But don't worry, I'll have all these links in the description to save you the time of just typing these all up and everything. But there's loads and loads of games, but the main part, which you're probably here for, is probably the apps. So if you just go to the app section, you'll see all the things you want, like the main things that you want basically. So Google, and then Google will be unblocked. Search anything you want. So if your app is not there, just search whatever you want. But where all the good links are, like the 500 different links, is on this link right here. And basically you can scroll forever on this. It's 500 different links, and if you just go to one that you want, copy and paste it. I'm just going to show you that it works as well. So paste it, and then after it should say something like, yeah, connecting to server. Then it should load to this website, which is called Ram Ahead Browser. But when it loads, you're brought to here. And yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe.